Do I need to get my realtor's license to be an investor? Do I need to get my realtor's license to find properties faster? There's pros and cons to it, but you don't have to have your realtor's license to go buy properties. You can actually find a realtor to work with, just like you're gonna have to build your team, just like you're gonna have to build the banking relationships. You're gonna have to go out and reach out to realtors and say, hey, or even you can reach out to brokers. So a real estate broker is actually the one that hired the realtors. You can either go out and look and find brokers, or you can work with other realtors. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is you build that relationship, because as you're looking for properties, you might see one that's listed online. You can call your realtor and say, hey, can we put an offer on this property? There's no cost to put in offers, so you can put offers in all day on online. You just got to make sure your realtor that you're working with is cool with that, because some realtors, I have to admit, are lazy. They don't like to put in offers. They don't like to negotiate. So find the realtor that's going to work with you, and also share with them what you want to do. Share with them that you're looking to buy multiple properties. You're looking to be a long-term investor, and that you want someone that's going to be dedicated. You want someone that's hungry. You want someone that's going to work Monday through Sunday if you need them, because properties come up all the time, and you need a realtor that you can work with that's fast and that has access to the MLS. What the MLS is, if you're a real estate agent, you have access to online MLS. It's like a database of all the properties that are for sale online, even properties that are going to be coming up for sale online, and it gives you more of an insight. So you want to work with, you don't have to have a license to buy investment properties, but if you work with a realtor, they have access to the MLS that might give you leads on other properties. I'm going to go over it again. You don't need a realtor's license to invest in properties. You don't need a realtor's license to buy properties. But if you find a realtor that's hungry and wants to work with an investor, they can be an asset to your team, because they have access to more data. So as you're finding houses outside of the database, they actually have eyes on the inside of the database, and they can let you know. Also too, if there's a house listed online on the MLS, Zillow, or Realtor, your realtor can put in offers for you. They can put in offers. There's no cost to put in offers. Don't be scared to put in an offer. That's another thing too. Ask your realtor if they're scared with putting in low offers, because there's some realtors that don't like to do that. I don't know what it is, their ego, they're embarrassed or whatever, but you can make an offer for whatever you want. The only bad thing that can happen is the person selling can say no. I've done this hundreds of times where I put offers in. Maybe they might want $100,000 for the house. I'll put in an offer for $60,000, you know. And I'll give you an example. One time we bought a property, they had it listed for $115,000, and I did some due diligence on it. I did some research. And I found out that those people inherited that house. The house was free and clear. The people lived in Austin. They wanted to get rid of the house, but the realtor wanted to start it off at $115,000. But I knew, based off my research, that they were wanting to get out of the house. They owed back taxes. So I said, you know what? I want to put an offer for $160,000. I called a realtor and I said, hey, let's put in an offer for $60,000. All right. So she says, no, I don't want to do that. That's too low. They're not going to take it. I said, just put it anyway. You never know. Trying to find out, she didn't want to do it, so I called someone else. I said, I want to put an offer in for $60,000 on this house. They said, all right, we'll do it. Tell you what, they came back with $70,000. We actually bought the house for $70,000. So you never know. Don't ever be scared to put in offers. If there's a realtor that's working with you and they're scared to put in offers, you got to find another realtor to work with.